Prepare to stand. Stand. One, two, back. Prepare to march. At the slow time. March. Off.
Slow time to slow. You got to realise that those
body. Prepare to hold. Hold. 1, 2, together, back.
Actually, we'll have the musketeers up on the top of the hill there, and they're going to have to advance against us. They'll come on 3 or 4 times, we'll shoot half of them, and they'll come on, and we'll basically run away in the end.
Remember what they did to us,
It's all quite easy.
You mongrels!
Non-stressful.
Scum! What did they do to us at the Throbnik? Buggery and filth!
I'm ordering you all to return to your homes.
March! On! F!
Freeze! If you not return to your homes, you shall all be under arrest. Fire! Stupid. Oh, excellent. Oh, look at me. Very effective voice.
Yeah, Grace, that was just with one shot.
Oh, Pierre! Oh, blue. It says recording. Oh, you press a button.
Company will wheel to your left hand. Wheel. Hands.
Might move down a bit. Yep. Don't run in front of me.
Hold your muskets and prime your feet.
Oh, hang on.
As you'll see, ladies and gentlemen, the length of time it takes to reload one of these enormous muskets was such that formations needed to be necessarily fairly deep so they could ensure a continuous rate of fire. We've actually only got 2 ranks here, but the normal formations are about 10 ranks. And each rank will probably fire every 5 seconds as they pass through, one after the other. You'll see how it works in a minute. Company, order your files to your open order. Rear rank, forward.
I want to play someone.
Make ready. Mike. Rear rank. Give fire! Prepare to march. Stand. Pike ready. Pike burn. Present. Present. Forward. Give fire.
Oh, this one.
Joey.
Rear rank. On the command move.
Get away to solve wars.
I could have got
Spare no one. At the slow time. As you were. Advance your pike. At the slow time. March. Oh. F.
What are these dudes doing when they're just going to shoot?
I. F, point, F. Oh no, it's the swing. Keep your right there. Listen to that, please.
Dressings. In a straight line. Stop that squatting.
Keep it tight, lads. Lean into it. That's close time. Pike!
He's on his own. It's not water. It's not water.
I want his head cut off.
Good! I'll do it for you with pleasure. I like that.
One rank. One rank. So you're all in the front rank now. Now, I don't want to have to remind you. I don't want to have to remind you. Missed! I don't want to have to remind you what they did to us at Falkirk and Dubrovnik. I don't want to have to do that, right?
What did they do to us?
Dubrovnik! Now, I want you to close order.
Must be like a drunken rattle.
We're remembering Dubrovnik first.
Keep the stars open!
Prepare!
We better get going. No, I'm safe. We're going to have to go.
That's the slow time!
Jensen goes take the flag.
At the slow time!